Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Balasivarama Reddy. So let's move on to next problem, second problem. So in this second problem, a square pyramid of base 50 mm side and axis 75 mm long and has its base on the ground and all the edges of the base equally inclined to the wall. It is cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to the wall, inclined at 40 degrees to the ground and bisecting the axis. Draw its sectional top view, sectional side view, true shape of the section. So let's move on to AutoCAD. So as usual, units, limits and zoom all. Now here pyramid, select pyramid, top view. Okay, so base, okay, so sides, four sides. So default it is 4. So okay, 4, enter. Now edge dimension, so it is 50, enter. And height I think 75 mm height. So you can place it flat. Okay, auto on. So when auto is on, you will get flat. Okay, so 50 mm. Okay, enter. And okay, and height, specify height 75 mm. So we got it. Now we have to rotate this to 45 degree because it is equally inclined. So rotate, select, enter. So base point, you can select this corner point and angle rotation 45 degrees. So it is rotated to 45 degrees. Now conceptual, so isometric, we got the square pyramid. So square pyramid of 50 mm side and axis 70 mm 75 mm long, and its base on the ground and all the edges of the base equally inclined to the wall. Up to here we have completed. So second part is, it is cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to the wall and inclined at 40 degrees to the ground and bisecting the axis. Now second part. So in which way we have to go? Front view. So I will change it to wireframe model. Now the line is inclined at 40 degrees. So I will take a line. So you click anywhere. Okay, auto off. Okay, now code is at the rate some 100 mm. The angle is 40 degrees. Enter. Okay, so escape. Right, now a line is made. Now we have to move this line to the midpoint. So move, select the object, enter. So I will select here midpoint, and in this also it is bisecting at the, it is told in the question, it is bisecting. So bisecting means at the center, so at the midpoint. Now section reference plane, section plane has to be created. So section plane, click on section plane. So you select this end, the upper part is removed. Now sectioning is completed. Okay. Now generate section. So next one is generate section. So select the sectional plane. Okay. Now 3D section, create. Now select anywhere. So x factor 1, enter, y factor 1 and angle 0. And so now the diagram is not shown in my screen. So you people will think that it is not created. So you zoom out. You zoom out, it is created at the bottom. You zoom out, you can find this one. It is created at the bottom. So most of us will think it is not created. Okay. Now base. So first angle projection. Okay. Now base, model space. So select the model, enter, layout 1. So in the layout 1, enter, front view, top view, side view, isometry, enter. Now the views are made. Now we have to label it. We have to label according to the this one. You can label it A, B, C, D, and here top 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and same way you can make it as A dash, B dash, C dash, and all those labelings. Same way dimension. Now we will go for section. So true shape of the section. So let's draw true shape of the section. For that, click on this image. So you will find section, full section. So 1, endpoint 2. So you may get a letter B or some other letter. So you can change it in the tab here to the whatever letter you want. So now depth, slice. Okay. So enter. So we get this one. Okay. This now comes hatching. Now comes hatching. So hatching we cannot do it directly. So we have to draw the line above this. So in the we will not get hatching. So we have to draw. Then only hatching will be made. Hatch. So we can. So this is how this one. So there are mistakes. Okay. So you do according to the question. Okay. Thank you.